LinkSquares contract management and analytics tutorials for beginners. In the modern business world, the ability to manage and analyze contracts efficiently is essential for ensuring compliance, mitigating risk, and optimizing financial outcomes. One of the most innovative tools for managing contracts is LinkSquares, a cloud-based platform designed to streamline contract management processes and provide businesses with powerful analytics to better understand their agreements. As business grow and engage in increasingly complex transactions, managing contracts manually or using outdated systems can lead to errors, missed deadlines, and overlooked opportunities. LinkSquare offers a comprehensive solution to those challenges by automating and optimizing contract workflows, enabling organizations to gain greater control over their contractual obligations. For beginners, understanding how to use LinkSquares can seem like a daunting task, but once you get familiar with its features, it becomes clear that the platform is designed to simplify the entire contract life cycle. From creating contracts to storing, tracking, and analyzing them, LinkSquares provide a seamless experience that can benefit legal teams, procurement departments, and business managers alike. This tutorial will guide beginners through the key features of LinkSquares, offering a clear and practical overview of how to leverage its capabilities to manage and analyze contracts effectively. The first step in getting started with LinkSquares is to create an account. Once your account is set up, you can begin configuring the platform to meet your specific needs. The interface is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive dashboard that makes it easy to access all the platform's key features. After logging into LinkSquares, you will be able to manage your contacts, collaborate with team members, track key milestones, and leverage analytics to gain insights into your contact portfolio. The core of LinkSquares is its contract repository, where all of your contracts are stored and organized. The repository serves as a central hub for your organization's contracts, enabling you to access, manage, and track them for a single location. Storing contracts digitally not only makes it easier to find specific documents, but also ensures that they are secure and compliant with regulations. LinkSquares allows you to upload contracts in various formats, including Word, PDF, and other commonly used document types. Once uploaded, the platform automatically extracts key data points from each contract, such as the contract start and end dates, renewal terms, parties involved, and payment terms. This automation eliminates the need for manual data entry and helps to reduce the risk of human error. Once your contracts are stored in LinkSquares, you can begin using the platform's powerful analytics tool. One of the key advantages of LinkSquares is its ability to provide actionable insights into your contract data. The platform's analytics capabilities allow you to track critical metrics, such as the duration of contracts, renewal dates, and compliance with specific terms. For example, you can set up alerts and notifications to remind you of upcoming renewals or milestones, ensuring that you never miss an important deadline. Additionally, LinkSquares provides you with visual reports and dashboards that display your contract data in easy-to-use, understand format. These reports can easily help you identify trends such as which contracts are generating the most revenue, which ones are at risk of non-compliance, or which agreements require renegotiation. This level of visibility into your contract portfolio is invaluable for making informed decisions and managing risk more effectively. Another key feature of LinkSquare is its ability to streamline the contract creation process. Rather than starting from scratch each time you need to draft a new contract, LinkSquares offers templates that can be customized to suit your organization needs. These templates are pre-built with standard clauses and legal language, saving time and ensuring consistency across all contracts. You can also collaborate with colleagues in real time to draft and review contracts, making the process more efficient and transparent. LinkSquare allows you to track changes made to contracts, ensuring that everyone involved is on the same page and minimizing the potential for errors or misunderstandings. LinkSquare also simplifies the negotiation and approval process, which can often be time-consuming and prone to delays. The platform provides tools for automating approval workflows, so contracts can be routed to the appropriate individuals for review and sign off. You can configure the system to ensure that contracts are automatically sent to the right person at each stage of the process, and reducing the chances of misapprovals. The platform also enables you to track the status of each contract in real time, so you can see where a particular agreement is in the approval process and what actions are still required. This transparency helps to speed up the entire process and ensures that contracts are finalized more quickly. For business with complex legal needs, LinkSquare offers advanced features that can help with contract analysis. The platform uses machine learning algorithms to analyze contracts and identify key provisions, clauses, and obligations. This feature is particularly useful for large organizations with thousands of contracts, as it allows you to quickly identify relevant information without manually reading through each document. The platform can also flag specific terms or clauses that may be a cause for concern, such as unfavorable payment terms or one-sided renewal conditions. By using machine learning and natural language processing, LinkSquares can significantly reduce the time and effort required for a contract review, making it easier to manage complex contracts and identify potential risks. One of the most powerful aspects of LinkSquare is its ability to provide insights into contract performance. By analyzing historical contract data, LinkSquares can help business understand which types of contracts are most beneficial and which ones may be hindering growth or profitability. For example, you can gain insight into which contracts are frequently renewed, which vendors are providing the most value, and which agreements are underperforming. This information can be used to renegotiate contracts, improve supplier relationships, or make more informed decisions about future business dealings. LinkSquares make it easy to track contract performance over time, allowing you to measure success and identify areas for improvement. In addition, its contract management and analytics capabilities, LinkSquare offers robust security features that ensures your sensitive contract data is protected. The platform uses encryption to safeguard documents both in transit and at rest. And it offers granular user access controls to ensure that only authorized individuals can view or edit specific contracts. LinkSquare is also compliant with various industry standards and regulation, such as GDPR, SOC2, and HIPAA, ensuring that your organization remains compliant with privacy and data protection laws. This security feature is especially important for business dealing with confidential or high-value contracts, as they provide peace of mind that your sensitive information is secure. LinkSquare also integrates with other business tools such as customer relationship management or CRM software, enterprise resource planning, and document management platforms. This integration ensures that your contract data is seamlessly connected with other business processes, enabling you to gain a holistic view of your organization's performance. For example, by integrating LinkSquares with your CRM system, you can automatically link to contracts to specific customers or projects, making it easier to track the status of your contract alongside customers' interaction. Similarly, integrating with your ERP system can help you manage financial aspects of contracts, such as invoicing, payment tracking, and revenue recognition, ensuring that all data is consistent and up to date. For businesses that need to track and manage contracts across multiple teams or departments, LinkSquare offers collaboration tools that make it easy to work together. You can assign tasks, leave comments, and share documents with colleagues, ensuring that everyone involved in the contract management process is on the same page. The platform also enables you to set up notifications and alerts so you are always informed of changes or updates to contracts, whether you're working on a contract with your legal team, sales department, or procurement team. LinkSquares help you ensure that communication is streamlined and everyone has access to the most current information. In conclusion, LinkSquare is an advanced and comprehensive contract management and analytics platform that provides business with the tools they need to streamline their platform, contract workflows, improve visibility into contract performance, and reduce risk. For beginners, the key to getting started with LinkSquare is understanding how to upload, store, and manage contracts, as well as how to leverage its powerful analytics and automation features. The platform's contract repository, reporting tools, Contract creation templates and approval workflows all work together to help businesses stay organized, save time, and make better informed decisions. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, LinkSquare offers a flexible and scalable solution for managing contracts, ensuring compliance, and driving business success. By automating and optimizing your contract management process, LinkSquare enables you to focus on what truly matters, building relationships, growing your business, and delivering value to your customers.